I think it was really great hearing about the experiences of actual people practicing law and how their journey to get there was very inspiring.
I think my favourite part was hearing the speech from Rob Hulls. He had like such a way of talking, and it was really engaging and insightful to see how not only the achievements he's made but the achievements he wants to see.
It was really nice, like especially seeing the Attorney General, like all of the things that he's implemented. It was so inspiring to see like the amount of change you can do, like just one person can do.
I loved the way that he articulated his ideas and like his life story and everything.
It was interesting to kind of understand a policymaker's thoughts, decisions, and what their beliefs were in leading up to the decision.
Really inspired me to like figure out what disadvantages the community has or what disadvantages my community has to start and try and kind of address them in different ways.
And learn about how the court can be used to better and to help a disproportionately affected minority group. Yeah.
It was actually quite enlightening because the other day me and Kavya were at a youth roundtable and we were wondering what the Attorney General does, and we just found out today what he does, and it was really, really inspiring and everything.
So one of my favorite part of today was like the mock jury panel that it is. She may not have been happy with the results, but she had to talk about how it was a majority and therefore the short time limit and stuff had to make her choose and agree or disagree. It's obviously not reflective of like a real jury because they get time and then they can just do a majority, or it could have been a hung jury, but it was really interesting.
I think the ability of just having to access these courts, you never really get to do that, right? Until like last year, I didn't even realize that, wow, you can just come in, walk in and just sit inside a courtroom, because you never really get to access that kind of stuff. And to be able to actually do that, to sit where the barristers sit, that's crazy, you know?
I think that having these insights into how our law and our politics are formed is really deep, and kind of informs future decisions and future policies and what we should do as a younger generation leading up to future years.
I've always wanted to be a lawyer, and I think today like solidified the fact that I do want to be a lawyer and I do want to make change in the world, and just seeing exactly how the Attorney General that spoke to us implemented the systems that we learn about is so crazy to me.